Watermark is created to protect video from abuse. Normally, the watermark is seen when using the free trial versions of video editors and video downloaders. Once you export the edited video, it leaves a watermark on the output videos. That is why, sometimes, you may want to remove the watermark from the video because the large logo or letters are too visible in the video output. However, you might also be thinking of putting your own watermarks to have recognition on the video you made. If you cannot afford to spend a buck and are looking for the best tool to help you remove or edit watermarks on your video, ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate is perfect for you. ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate is a professional tool that can add and remove watermarks. This tool can edit and add watermarks perfectly. You can add the mark, logo, stamps, branding, name, date and time, etc. At the same time, this tool is also a robust watermark remover, which you can use to eliminate the watermark in your video anytime. To get this tool, visit www.acesif.com/videoconverterultimate or click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to edit and remove the watermark on your video. First, open the tool you've downloaded. There are separate ways how to edit and remove watermarks. Let's begin with editing and adding watermarks. On the tool's main interface, click the toolbox option. As you can see, many video features for any video issues. Find and select the video watermark among the video editing tool. Once entered, click the plus icon to add your video. After the video is added, choose whether to add a text watermark or an image watermark. If you add a text watermark, click the button, and you will see the text editor. You can edit the font, color, and size of texts. And if you choose the image watermark, click the button and select the image among your files. Once added, you can edit the image by resizing it and placing it in your desired place. You can also rotate and adjust the transparency of the image. Once done, click the export button, and there you go, your video now has a watermark. Now let's perform how to remove watermarks. To begin, find and select the video watermark remover among the option. Once open, click the plus icon to add the video that has a watermark. After that, click the Add Watermark Removing area, then a selection box will appear on your video. You can add 2 or more removal areas if your video has many watermarks. Place the selection box on the watermark, and ensure that the selection box will cover the whole watermark. You can adjust the box according to your preference, especially if the watermark is vast. You can adjust the removing area for a specific time period by controlling the video sliders. Drag it on the exact time period you want, then add watermark remover. Once done covering the watermark, click the export button. Wait until the process is done. You now have the video without a watermark as easy as that. Isn't amazing? ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate is not just a video converter, but can also solve any video issues. This means it can also add and remove any watermark. With this tool, you can freely use the videos to present on different platforms and enjoy watching. So what are you waiting for? Get ACESIF Video Converter Ultimate now. For more videos, visit our channel ACESIF and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.